Here's the deal. This one's going to be different. A lot of my videos are very upbeat and they're polished and they're professional and I don't really rant. Today is different. And I want to just get your okay to give you all some tough love for a hot minute here. I'm feeling very strongly about something. I just want to share. I want to go on a little bit of a rant. I think you need to hear it. If you are ready for some tough love, continue watching this video. If you don't want tough love and you don't want clients, this is a video to skip. The other day I was on Facebook and I came across this thread of people just complaining on Facebook and it actually got me angry. I don't often get angry and I feel myself getting a little pissed off right now even as we're making this, but they were just and they were moaning about how a coach told them they had to create content in order to get clients. I almost never get angry, but it pissed me off because I realized so many people say they want the dream. They want the clients. They want the money. They want the successful business. They want the sexy income. They want all of that, but they don't want to have to do the work to get it. I think what frustrates me about this is that I want more women to be millionaires. This is what I wake up and do every single day. Of all entrepreneurs who hit 7 figures, only 1.7% of them are women. And I'm in these rooms with these millionaire white dudes who are 40 or above, and I'm tired of being the only woman in these rooms. I get frustrated and I get a little tough lovey, let's say, when I see these women saying they want all that and then complaining about having to do something to make that happen for them. Maybe I shouldn't be frustrated. Maybe I should just release my attachment to women business owners being successful. But I don't know, like this is just how I'm feeling right now. And I committed to being myself on this channel. So here we are. If you want to get clients, if you're just getting started, right? You want clients. When you're just getting started, you want clients. Right? You need to get attention. You need eyeballs on you, okay? Just like your eyeballs are on me right now, you need eyeballs on you. You can either pay for those eyeballs, which is ads, paid advertising, or you can earn those eyeballs. So you can either pay for eyeballs or you earn eyeballs. Ads are usually $100 a day minimum. If you really want to see real results from them, I don't ever pay less than $15,000 a month. And I know tons of people pay $200,000 a month or more. And most new people getting started can't afford that. So for most of you watching this, paid eyeballs, not how you're going to get clients. You need to get people watching your content. And that means you need to create content. Is it a ton of work to create content? Yes. Are there ways to make it easier? Yes. And I teach that with my students in the Get Clients Now program. I teach you how to create content consistently in a way that's less work. But at the end of the day, it's work. And that's how you get clients. And that's why I get so frustrated because I don't know if it's like shitty internet bro marketers who are like, make $1 million by pressing this one button. And then everybody in the industry thinks you just press a button and the clients come. But when I see people with one day say, I want to be running $1 million business. And then I see them bitching and moaning on Facebook. It just pisses me off. And it pisses me off not because I care. I don't care. I have a successful business. This will not affect my life at all. But I care because I care about you and I want your success. And I'm tired of seeing you shortchange and sabotage yourself. And that's why I get angry, is because maybe as an industry, we've done a bad job communicating to you what you need to do. Maybe you don't have the work ethic. I don't know what it is, but I want you to be successful. I want you to put your big girl pants on, create the content that you need to create so that you can get the clients you deserve. You deserve a successful business. And I see that vision for you. I hold that vision for you. And I get pissed off when I see you sabotaging your own success. What I wrote down is that your resistance to getting eyeballs, aka your resistance to creating content, is actively the thing keeping you from getting clients. You don't need to be creating content consistently on all platforms. And I teach this in my Get Clients Now program. You need to be creating content consistently on one platform very consistently. One of my students in the Get Clients Now program, Mariah, she's super smart. She just summarized it best. She said, consistent content equals consistent clients. Put that as a tattoo on your forehead. And so I teach this to my GCN students all the time. And like I said, there's ways you can do it where you're smart about it. It's not necessarily about working harder, where you're just a content machine and you're creating 80 pieces of content in a day. There's ways you can repurpose. There's ways you can do that. But I really want to hit home that if you want clients on a consistent basis, which you're watching this because you want a successful business, you want to be growing, you want to be scaling, you want to be creating income, you want to be creating, you need to be creating content on a regular, consistent basis, or you will not get clients. Look at anybody you admire in your industry. They make content all the time. All the time. and they're on it and it's consistent and they grow and their business grows. And so there's no workaround for this. In some way, shape, or form, if you want to be financially successful running a business online, which is what I teach, you either have earned media, which is where you create the content and you earn your eyeballs, or you have paid media and you pay for it. And if you can't afford $100 a day, $15,000 a month, $100,000 a month, whatever, then you need to earn it. The next step in all of this is for you to simplify what you're trying to do so you can do the one thing that really matters. So if you're currently trying to create content on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and you've got a podcast, even if you're having a team member repurpose one or the other, I really think that what you need to do instead is just focus up on one platform and go all in on that. That's how I built a huge Facebook group of 125,000. That's how I grew an email list to have hundreds of thousands of subscribers on my email list. That's how I'm building this YouTube channel, as I'm focusing on my YouTube channel. If you aren't focusing on one platform, it's hard to create content on it consistently. An actual real life example. So there was a miscommunication between me and my team, and somehow it was Christmas Eve and we were going to miss our YouTube schedule. We were going to miss a day. Somehow there was just a miscommunication. I don't even remember the details of it, but all I knew is that it was Christmas Eve and I was digging through my old videos to find something to publish to this channel so I didn't miss my content day. I didn't miss my deadline. I didn't miss my schedule. I'm that consistent to the point where I don't like it. I'm not proud of it. Like, I wish I didn't have to do it on Christmas Eve. I don't think it's good, but I'm sharing that that is a level of seriousness that I take it. And a lot of my friends are exactly the same way. And we all have huge audiences and we're making 7 figures or more. I don't know. I guess I just want you to know that. I just want you to know that you not creating content consistently is the number one reason why you're not getting consistent clients. What do we do? First thing you need to do is simplify, okay? If you're struggling to create content on a consistent basis, it's likely because you're overwhelmed in some way, shape, or form. You have a lot going on. And this isn't to put you down, by the way. This video is not to put you down or make you feel embarrassed or make you feel like you're beating yourself up. That's not the point of this. But the point of this is you can't say you want something and then not take action to make that happen. If you are in the Get Clients Now program, we help you with that. Go to our VIP lounge right now and make a post and say, hey, I want to create more content on a consistent basis, and coaches, help me. Help me, let's write some ideas. Let's come up with some content ideas together. Let's get a game plan going. That's what GCN students, Get Clients Now students, party peeps, that's what the community is for. That's what the coaching program is for. If you're not in the Get Clients Now program, you should check it out. Go to mariawendt.com/program. It's an incredible program that teaches you how to get clients. That's why I call it the Get Clients Now program. And obviously a lot of it is creating content consistently without having to be working hours and hours and hours. I spend 2 hours a week creating content, maybe 3, and I create a lot of content. And YouTube is one of the most intense platforms to create content on. So I don't spend a ton of time creating content. I'm just very consistent with it. I'm strategic with it. I'm working smarter, not harder. So if you aren't in the Get Clients Now program, you should go check it out. Again, it's mariawendt.com/program, or just click the link in the description to check it out. I highly recommend it. If you're wanting clients on a consistent basis and you're struggling with it and you just want, frankly, you want somebody to tell you what to do that. We have daily business coaching calls where every single day you can get on a call and you can get coached by somebody, and it's amazing. So let's support you there. Again, this video is not to put you down or make you feel shamed about it. It's just, I don't want you to miss how important it is to be creating content on a consistent basis. This is the number one thing that will keep you from getting clients. So that's it. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. I'm kind of curious. Maria Rants, is this a thing we do? Is it helpful? Is it not helpful? Should I share these thoughts I have in my brain, or should I just let them fly by? Let me know. You tell me. You guys are the ones that really help shape the content I make. And you tell me if you like it, if you want my regular stuff.